Hi guys! Hi beshies! Hi friendships! Hi mga guaps! Welcome to my channel! Murag si Ariana Grande. So, for this video, I'll teach you some of those acronyms that the millennials are using nowadays. Okay. BRB. The video today will be talking about millennials. They have their own lingo, they have their own fashion, they have their own, style from us. I am 54 years old and most of my friends are also in their golden years. Young people nowadays don't want to type long, so they try to abbreviate everything and try to make it short so it's easy to type and text. So, yeah, here are some acronyms that millennials use. OMG is passe, meaning to say, oh, it's so overused and it's so old. OMG, which is oh my god, right? So anyway, when I said BRB, I said I wanted to mean be right back. OOTD. The first time I saw that, when somebody posted hashtag is like hashtag OOTD, I was thinking, hala ba, yuta, unsan sa ng OOTD? Uy, youth. So, I researched and OOTD is outfit of the day. YOLO. Hala, uy, may baw ang YOLO kay si Piolo. YOLO. YOLO. So, it's you only live once. So, for people who like travel or who buy stuff and things and, and then they say, enjoy life, YOLO. So you only live once. TBH. TBH? Parang TTH naman to kwibuan. Tuesday o Thursday. But they have TBH. And it actually means to be honest. TBH, to be honest. Hindi ko type yung dress mo. I don't like your hair. I don't like your makeup. TBH. So see, it's to be honest. JK. Napulana na, no? JK means just kidding. Wala. Just kidding. Just JK. Just kidding. Before, when you wanna laugh in your text, you put the ha 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 ha. But they translated it to LOL, laughing out loud, which is shorter. GTG. GTG. Okay, GTG means got to go. I got to go. NVM. NVM. Saan naman tawag sila Never mind. NVM. Never mind. Mga kabatch. Uy, ganahan mo ba? Okay. Then BTW. Kaning BTW, di ba na siya bitaw? Bitaw mo. Sa Bisaya, bitaw. Di man ko na bitaw. BTW means by the way. By the way, I don't want to talk to you because you're so boring. Or I don't want to talk to you because you're so annoying. Paita. ATM. Sa mga gores, para na to. ATM means automated teller machine. But no. ATM is at the moment. To ATM, I'm putting makeup on because I'm gonna leave in a while. So, at the moment. And then, GOAT. Alabayuta. Hastang kanding lagi. Apil-apilon pa, Jud. GOAT means greatest of all time. Charot. Katapulana naman, Jud. GOAT. Kanding kanang anghiton. Kanding GOAT, greatest of all time. Wow. SMH. I have a big problem and I'm SMH. Shaking my head. Hala no. When I did research online, I just chose the words that I somewhat heard, but now they have a lot, like V, like you're V pretty. V means very pretty, or you're so V annoying, meaning to say you're very annoying. And then we have FOMO. Hala. Sa akong hibaw andiri KOMO. Dili FOMO. FOMO means fear of missing out. Like you're sick and they're out having a night out and you have FOMO. Oh, I'm missing out some stuff because you're having fun and I'm not there. So FOMO. There's a good one. It's JOMO. JOMO. So it's joy of missing out. So you miss an activity but it's okay. You're with your family. So there's the joy of missing out, right? Diri sa ato KOMO. Ayog uli og sayo pag happy dito kay uli nimo KOMO. KOMO means to punch. Anyway, thank you for watching my video. Bye. GTG. I gotta go. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for new videos. Thanks for watching. Bye!